Dear friends, today we will see about the graphical representations of the orbitals. In the last lecture, we have seen about the derivations of wave functions, that is, atomic orbitals. These atomic orbitals are variables on three components r, theta, and phi. R being a radial component, while theta and phi are the angular components. When we plot these radial components as well as angular components against the psi wave function, we get the physical visualization of these orbitals. For the first one, that is for quantum number L is equal to 0, we have only r component present while theta and phi are 0. So for this we have uh, distributions of psi against r only, and this becomes very easy or convenient to draw. While in the second one, that is for all L not equal to 0, we have two possibilities: plotting psi against r and keeping theta and phi constant, or plotting psi against the angular functions either theta or phi and keeping the rest of the two components constant. So in this case we get a three-dimensional pictures where it becomes easier for physical visualization about the shapes of the orbitals. Today we will see about the radial plots, or how to plot the radial components as well as how to interpret them. We will see about the radial plots for all L is equal to 0 for psi 1s, psi 2s, and psi 3s orbitals. These radial plots in the picture are given for psi 1s, psi 2s, and psi 3s orbitals. When we look at these plots for all L is equal to 0, indicates the functions at r is equal to 0 have a non-zero values. And because of the presence of exponential function e to the power of minus zr by n, because of this because of this component, we see that at r is equal to 0, it will have a maximum value. So the plot starts with a maximum value and it reduces as the r is increased. For n is equal to 1, we have psi 1s orbital, which is having an exponential component of e to the power of minus zr, and because of this it reduces exponentially and tends towards 0 for r is equal to infinity. But it never reaches to 0, and hence it does not have any node in between. So psi 1s orbital doesn't have any nodes. For psi 2s orbital, we see that there is a function of 2 minus zr and e to the power of minus zr by 2. Because of this exponential function, it starts with a maximum value, but it reaches 0 value for 2 minus zr. For an hydrogen atom where z is equal to 1, we see that for r is equal to 2, 2 minus zr will become 0, and hence this particular function radial plot will have a 0 value or node at r is equal to 2. But after that, beyond the value of r is equal to 2, it will have a negative values but will never reach to 0. Hence it will have only one node, that is psi 2s will have only one node. When we look similarly for psi 3s orbital, it will have two nodes. Hence in general we can say that for any orbital with n value as a principal quantum number, there will be n minus 1 nodes if L is equal to 0. When we look for L is equal to L not equals to 0, the function is 0 at r is equal to 0. We see that for r to 1 of x, the function is 1 upon 2 root 6 z to the power of pi by 2 r e to the power of minus zr by 2. Because of the presence of this r group, we see that it will be equal to 0 for all values of r is equal to 0. Hence it will have a node at the start itself, but in between it will not have any nodes. For all values of r other than r is equal to 0, it will not have any node value for that. Similarly, when we look for a higher wave function r31, for this we will have node values for all r is equal to 6 upon z, where z being the atomic number. So for hydrogen atom, z is equal to 1, hence r at value of r is equal to 6, we will have one node. Similarly, for other values of or higher values, higher orbitals, we will have different number of nodes. The total number of nodes in any radial function for is given by n minus L minus 1 states, where n is principal quantum number, L is a azimuthal quantum number. Hence, we can calculate the number of nodes that are present in this. Thank you. Today we have seen about the radial plots of this particular functions.